Welcome to Motivational Me. Today we are going to review Lincoln Financial Group's website. It's an insurance company, so let's start. Before buying any kind of insurance, it's important for us to check the credibility of the company. So when you click on About Us, you can get the company's overview, and you can also read about the history and timeline, financial strength, family of companies, leadership, diversity and inclusion, corporate responsibility, awards and recognition that the company has earned, corporate governance, Lincoln Financial Field, and the cyber security the company provides for any sort of transaction to take place through here. So now let's get on to the insurance part of it. If you go to the drop down menu of explore insurance and annuities, you can read here life insurance. This section has various categories: life insurance basics, beyond protection, term life, permanent life insurance, life protection VUL, view my policy. So if you have already any existing policy which you are paying for, you can look up in this about your policy. And after this, there is annuities and protected income. Annuities 101. So this will tell you various sort of annuities that are available in option here, which are provided by the company. What type is right for me? So if you are looking for a certain sort of plan, whether it is fixed or variable, you can read about it here. And there are fixed annuities, fixed indexed annuities, variable annuities, and VMA account. This section is basically for those who already have an account existing here and have applied for a particular field. Employee benefits. So if you are planning to get into this company, there are various sorts of uh, policies which you can opt for. So here you will know what all these people offer, what we offer. Uh, People like me. So this is basically for an individual's need, tips, trends, and resources. So this is basically dependent on the various variables in your life, like your income, your investments, your financial support systems, and all that. Find a dentist. So this is basically for those who have opted for dental insurance. Find a vision care provider. So this is basically for those people who plan to leave to nominate someone as their insurance aid after uh, they cease to exist in this world, basically. A dental provider portal. So this is also for dental insurance purpose. Long-term care planning. So here, if you are ready to invest in a long-term plan, there are various options that are available. So you can learn about it from this. When to plan. So this is age appropriate, I guess. There are various variables here also. Strength and stability. So what all do you need to go into a plan like this? Money guard solution. So this is basically to save your assets and your capital in case of any sort of mishap. Lincoln Concierge Care Coordination. So, quick links. The company provides various quick links here about the cyber security that they provide to you. If you have to file a claim, you can opt here. Find a lost policy. If you have lost a policy, you can look up here to how to avail it again. Find a financial professional. If you need any sort of assistance, you can opt here. Performance and prospectus center. This is basically for those who are looking for new investments. Manage your account. So if you already have an account on this, you can work for various plans that go according to you. So here you can get started by opting for various insurance plans that the company provides, investment that suits you. So uh, how you can benefit more from your investment, financial wellness, retire well, retire. This is basically for a retirement plan. View account balance, download form. So if you want to opt for any of these, you'll have to go down to download form, fill it up, and then you can proceed ahead. Plan your financial future. This is financial security. Uh, Create a financial plan. So a plan that will help you to retire well, protect your family, to pay for the education of your kids, provide a financial legacy so that your family can have a secured future. Plan for the unexpected. So in case of any accident or mishap, this is the plan you should opt for. What Work with financial professionals. So if you need any sort of financial assistance, here is where you should look it up for. Reach your goal. Start with our questionnaire. So this is the questionnaire you should read before filling up any form or opting for any plan, so that you know the do's and don'ts of how to go ahead with it. Life expectancy calculator. So this is basically for health insurance plans, so that you can fill in the various variables, and according to if everything goes well, what is the expected life you are expecting to have. Calculator and tools. This is basically so that you can calculate on various things, and again, there are the various portals which will help you to understand this better. So I'll be signing out now. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.